Happy Independence Day. It's a great privilege to be here today to share my thoughts with you. On this day of independence, as I look back to my good old school days, I can still hear the poem we sang at school by Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. Into that haven of freedom, my father, led my country a week. As I get these lines back, I have a question for myself first and to you all. Are we awake in this current situation of pandemic when the world is going through a massive transformation? Everything is changing, everything is uncertain. There's excitement, yes, but yes, there's a lot of scare. So what is that you choose to do? Would you choose to crawl under the sheets and wait for something to happen and someone to make it happen? Or would you spring back to action and take the reins of your lives into your hands? Because it is your life. You are responsible for your life. The ones who are going to come out of this pandemic more happier, more merrier, more contented, more successful are the ones who are going to take action now. Fear is the silent killer. It is the one which makes one procrastinate things. So take action now. Think of what you want to do. Choose your goal and ask yourself, where do I want to see myself in the next 6 months? Pick up that action and get going and be persistent on it. Be consistent. You have got to keep yourself polishing every day. For example, you want to lose weight. You can't just one day work for 2 hours and the next 5 days do nothing. It doesn't happen that way. You have to keep on working every day. Devote some time and do it every day, whatever the task you want to do. Be persistent on it. I remember a quote by Bruce Lee where he said, I'm not afraid of the person who knows 1,000 different types of kicks. But yes, I'm afraid of the one who knows one kick, but he has practiced it 1,000 times. This is the power of consistency. So keep doing every day. Devote yourself your time every day. If you do not work to create the life you want, you'll end up working for somebody to create that, to make their dream come true. So make your dreams happen. The action is now or never. Wish you all the best. Thank you.